how can the HLC be consider the peace talk? I mean the withdrawal from the peace talk, because the status is the government in the past 2 years that we have had a series of discussion with the government. The government is not trying to understand, is not understanding the need to withdraw the cases and to grant a general amnesty to the HNLC cadres and the leaders. So merely appealing to the HNLC to withdraw from, to reconsider the withdrawal from the peace process without the actual consideration of the demand of the HNLC also is not possible.
On the part of the government, they had stated that there was always, they felt that there was a barrier. They couldn't directly connect, or every time whenever a decision had to be made, HNLC had always stated that we'll get back to you, we have to go back and discuss. So do you agree that this was...
To say that the failure of peace talk is because of communication gap, I feel that also is wrong. Because every communication that we had in the meeting, every resolution taken, every decision taken in the meeting, with the state government or with the Home Ministry is forwarded to the HNLC, and the HNLC even sent letter of acknowledgement also to the government that we are happy that so decision was taken, so that resolution has been taken. The communication gap is not the issue. Well, I mean, when we say that withdrawal from the peace talk is because of communication gap, no, that is not true. Communication is okay. I was there all the time to communicate. Peter was there all the time to communicate, and the HNLC leaders also are here. We're fully authorized to carry forward the peace process. So they have met them face to face. So how can there be a communication gap? It's nothing like that. There's no such thing.
There are those who term the HNLC's decision a hasty one, because they are saying like why the HNLC does not wait for because the peace talks have held only once, formal peace talks. So why the HNLC took this hasty decision? Why not wait for the second and the third round of peace talks?
We have had around 4 to 5 discussion with the official from the official from the Home Ministry, official from the IB, official from the state government. We have had a lot of discussion. It has been almost 2 years. I mean, coming this March will be 2 years. More than almost 2 years, so to say. In each and every meeting and in each and every communication that I used to converse with the authority concerned, we are stuck in the same issue. That is the amnesty and the withdrawal of the cases. Meanwhile, while we are, making a point in the government to withdraw the cases, and we see that a series of summon notice has been served to the HNLC leaders, be it from the NIA, be it from the Magisterial Court of Meghalaya. So that is the thing that creates the trust deficit. On the one hand, we are saying that we are having a peace talk. On the other hand, summon notice has been served to the HNLC leaders and cadres. So that is the trust deficit that was created. So if the cases are not dropped and if the general amnesty is not granted, it's over, I think. Long ki emissary juga HNLC kiba sa sini disna. Kita kiba fully authorized daga body juga HNLC. Tapi tu insist ya kata ki jingwan kita bida long suka pidu lagi nan ko ayu dingim tu. Loi haba la full authority. Hanga aku kumuntul la full authority bangin betul ni kam sakmat. Loi nakalian si Sorkar ki sokri apa yang tak orang orang cases. Ada umumnya cases jingwan kita bida kam tak juga dia. Dah awal. Nama kita ke balawan sini kita si members jong sen ki senior ki bala alai posna mati usna me bala do sen te kamu ki yaki lai full authority bi bala jadi kasiti ke badra se Sorkar adara syai ba kini ki bala designate ke Chelsea lawan sini with full authority to carry forward the peace process tambah naga Sorkar melah lagi kai cases ka sakut no
Memang ada jadi keluar ke agensi ke apa, mereka nanti main, tetapi kum tahu siap bahwa keiga keluar ke agensi dan ai main pada
Kubur pertama yang agensi kalau ada Sorkar kalau yang drop cases baru in black and white. Ai ka general amnesty kerja kan ka pelitian.
tengah